going to be fun. Hopefully you enjoy the intro. Well, welcome back to Headspo. Today we'll be diving into basics of Kali Linux. So much fun today, including creating and managing directories and navigating the terminal like a pro. Let's get started, I guess. So, I'm going to your Kali Linux or your Kali Linux VM like I am using on my Proxmox. So we are in Kali Linux right now. So, what is Kali Linux? Why commands outline is essential, right? So, we'll be using Kali Linux for this tutorial, but these commands work across multiple distributors like Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Parrot OS, and you name it, it's there, but not all of them, you know. So, in the terminal, as you can see, we're going to do some basic commands. What is the most basic command so you know where you are, so you don't get lost, or when you're lost, you just want to know where you are? So, we're just going to type in pwd. What does it do? Well, this command tells us, press enter. This command tells us where we are in the file system. Currently we are in the home directory, as you can see. But to find out more information about it, we can just do a command of ls, which stands for, if it works, hello, there we go, VMs, they like to freeze. ls stands for. This command lists all files directories in the current location. As you can see, here's everything in the home directory, like desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos, which is great. But if there's too much stuff, what you can do is clear. We do clear and everything disappears. If you use your up and down arrows, you can bring back, you know, even the past and other things, you know, what you have. Right, what is mkdir? Right, what is it? Well, what that is, this command creates a directionally called new folder, basically. You can name it whatever you want. So for this test, we're going to make it test123. We're going to press enter. Done. Nothing happened. Well, to make sure that we did create that file, we're going to do ls. And guess what? What does ls stands for? List directories. And you can see test123. But we can do so it looks more, a little bit more neater. If you want to find out more information, we do ls, well, space dash L, not capital L, just L. Press enter. And it lists all directories when they were made and stuff like that, like some were December 20th, well, December 2nd at 8. Like, for example, look for test123. Here, it shows you everything. January 13th at 6:202. That's when it was created, right? Right, so now let's check if the folder is there, which we have. So what we can do is navigate into the folder. So let's clear our screen with clear space, well, not space, well, enter, and we're going to do cd test123. It should work, and we are, as you can see, in our folder. So let's see if there's anything in here. So how we can check is by list directories, right, which is ls. So nothing else showed up. Now let's try the command ls l, see what shows up. 0. Total is 0. You know why the reason it says 0? Because we do not have other, we have a file, yes, but we have nothing stored in the file. So what we can do, if you do want to remove it, let's say for some odd reason, navigate back. So we do cd ... and we go back, and we are back into, the way we can check is back home, right? So we're going to clear everything off our screen. So remove directory, rmdir. What is it? Removes directories, but it only works for empty ones, like our one which we created, test123. If you have other stuff in the file itself, I'll explain how to do it. Well, tell you how to do it later. So, but it only works for empty ones. Since the folder we create is test123 is empty, so that's how you make it gone. So rmid test123 what happened? Well, let's check, right? Let's firstly check where are we. Right, when home, then we do ls, and it's gone. It's not here anymore. How to double check? We do this. Still nothing. So it is completely gone. Someone is calling me. I am not interested. We can do put your phone in aeroplane mode and it says connection lost. That's how it works. Little sneak trick. If you don't want to hang up on someone, just put your iPhone on aeroplane mode and it'll just say disconnected. Anyway, so what you can do, other things, is to create a new folder with a file in it, and it will be similar to what we did here, right? So you could do mkdir, another folder, cd, another folder, touch, sample.txt, then cd back, and you know, all that gibberish. But if you had stuff inside of a folder, right, then you would have to do rm space dash r and then name it, right? And if you do this command, well, nothing will happen because we already removed the folder. As you can see, I think, yeah, cannot remove because there's no such file because we already removed it. But if you did that, even if you had stuff inside test123 folder, it will be removed. So make sure all your files and stuff, before you remove anything, you check everything was inside of it before you remove it, because once it's gone, it is permanently gone. Not like on Windows you can bring back deleted files, which is kind of pointless of delete, but it is what it is. This is what I mean. This works as well on any other platforms and stuff like that, so hopefully this video is quite useful for you guys. Anyway, recap. Not a command, I just trying to get your attention. So what have we done today? We covered how to create directories with mkdir, navigate them and with cd, and remove them using rmd or rm space dash r. These bases are key managing files in Linux. So if you like this video, it was helpful for you, and you want a part 2 with a little bit more in-depth videos and stuff like that, give a like, share, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.